Hey there, in this tutorial we are going to replicate this design. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right into it. What we need first is, as you can see, there are two backgrounds here. There is a sky blue and there is a dark blue, and there is a demarcation with this tone paper effect. Okay, so let's begin by getting this. Okay, so this is going to be our tone paper effect, this guy here. Alright, so this is going to add as our tone paper effect. It's not very perfect, but we would use it. Right. Like I said, it's not very perfect, but we'll use it. Alright, so we get one of the main character. So I'd like Mercy to be that. So we'll put it there like that, alright? Just somewhere there. Right? Let's increase it more. Right, so let's come over here and do this. Then go to saturation and do this. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is to bring two other images at the back, but this is it first. You have to come over here, get a shape. Now let the shape you're going to be getting be blue, the sky blue here. Okay, and then you adjust it like this. So that's the blue over there. Okay, and then we'll send it to the back. All right, so let's go like this to the back. All right, so we have to get two other images that will be at the back like this. So we'll bring this, for example. Okay, this is Ronaldo. We'll put it there. All right, and then we'll bring the other guy. Okay, all right, so for this, let's Ronaldo be here. Let's try and change position and see how it looks. Right, then I bring this here. So already we can just send both of them to the back like this. So let's work on this first. Saturation. Alright, we just send them to the back like this. Alright, then we'll also send this to the back. Okay, then we'll send this to the back. Okay, alright, so now how do we get this particular other one? We'll copy this, send it to the back, copy it, then we'll put it there like this. Alright, then we'll stretch it out like that. Okay, then we'll send it to the back. Alright, the color is going to be the dark blue. Alright, let's just use a plain color for it. Okay, like this. Alright, then we'll also send this to the back. Alright, then go again to the back. Then this to the back now. Alright, you see that now. So we are able to adjust this. So we can come over here and put this here. Alright, so the logo, Super Peak logo, is going to be here. Okay, right, so I still need to adjust this and adjust this also. right, just adjust this. Okay, all right, so let's go and then check out for some of the things that we'll be doing. So look right here. All right, so this is it. So look here, you see round 15 matches. All right, so let's go. Click round 15, sorry, round 15. So round, so this is going to be a long font like Bibans. This, all right. So for the 15, we just get a script font. All right, so let's go 15. Let's look for a script font to use. All right, so we'll use this. All right, so just come over here and then use this blue. I think this is okay. All right, at the bottom there is the word matches. So the next, so let's go. All right, use a bold font. It's okay. All right, I think the color is yellow. Okay, check again. Okay, that's okay. This is yellow. This is yellow, and that is white. Okay, this is white. All right, now take a look at how this shapes is positioned. All right, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 altogether. All right, so how do we get that? So let me show you how to do it. So let's pick this one, for example, one of it, like, then do this. Okay, okay, then no, let's do it again. Let's do this. All right, and then do this. Okay, all right, so we can use this. So at the middle here we have something that is demarcating them. All right, so this is what we're going to do now. So we'll bring this shape. All right, this is a shape, right? Just like this, and then just use the same color right here, dark blue, right? Just around at the middle here, do this. All right, all right, at the middle there, do that. Then come over to, just, you have to merge them together, right? So after you have merged them together, you can come over here now, erase color, and then you choose the color you want to erase, which is this blue here. And you see now I've removed it, so the middle is open. So after that, you can come over here again and bring a shape inside this guy. So let's see this. So that shape, now we're going to paint it this color, maybe a lighter shade of it. All right, then we can bring this to the front. Are you seeing that now? So we can now go ahead again and mesh both of them together. Cool, we are done. So having done that, we can copy and do what we want to do. So it is together 6, right? So we'll do this one, we'll bring this here also. All right, we bring this here also. Okay, so check again, you see it there. Okay, so this, let's bring it towards this ending, this here and this here. All right, we still need to adjust it a little small. Take this out, take this out. Right, copy, bring that there. All right, bring this there. All right, so check again and see. Okay, so let's move everything right here. Okay, so we'll just copy this. All right, put it there. Okay, all right, the same thing here, the same thing here. So the various matches that we're playing, these are the various teams, so we just bring them. So I'm not putting them in any order, I'm just trying to put them there. So just adjust. Okay. All right, so Manchester United versus blah blah blah, just like that. That's how you feel. All right, so I've been able to fix everything just the way it's supposed to be, like this. So the next thing we're going to see here is this guy here, predict six correct blah 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 blah. So let's just copy it, and then instead of going to type everything afresh, so we'll just click here and then we'll copy it. So after that, the next one is 100 million. Okay, so let's just come over here. All right, Pixellab, and then click here. Let's use this one now. All right, so come over here, paste it there. Okay, so increase. All right, so first of all, let me go over here, then I make this adjustment. Okay, I want it to be 2 lines like this. Okay, then I will come over here now, and then I'll bring in this shape. All right, cool. Okay, I'll make sure that it is straight. All right, so the color I'm going to be using is a yellow color. Okay, this yellow color here. Okay, like this. Then I'll just stretch it out like this a little more. All right, so right there is going to be 100 million. Then the next is going to be play for free. So quickly, we're going to just write 100 million here, but let's adjust this. All right, so 100 million, we can use this to write it. So just come over here and just write it there, 100 million. All right, so there's an arch, but let me just put this. Okay. All right, so a good color for this is going to be black. Okay, then we have play for free. All right, to get that, we'll just come over here, this, bring it here, and then we'll change it to black first. Then we'll come over here, we'll go to background, add the background to it, increase it a little more like this. That is 56. Same here. Then let the height be there. All right, 20, 21. Let the height be also here. Then come over here and just do this. All right, so let's change the color to okay, let's change the color to yellow. All right, so we'll just change the words there, play for free. All right, so I'll put it there. All right, as you can see, we are done with the design. Is there any other thing we're missing out? If there is this guy here, play for free, win the real. All right, so we'll come over here, put this here, copy it, play for free, win the real. So let's go, play for free, win the real. Okay, it's black, and then we adjust it and put it right there. The color is going to be black. And with this, we are done with the design. Don't forget to like this tutorial. Drop a comment where you are watching from and tell me what you like about this whole video, and I'll see you in another tutorial. My name is Niamuda, and voila.